Usually we have three categories of the dosha, the prakriti of the person. One prakriti called individual prakriti. In it we say individual vata. It means high vata in the body. This person can follow vata diet. Second is pitta. If somebody has very high pitta, so this person can pitta balancing diet. And somebody has high kapha, so kapha balancing diet. This is more easy to treat. But sometimes people have two dosha in predominance, one is low. So how to consider a diet? First thing you have to check which dosha is more high and which is the frequent disturbance of the body. If somebody has a vata pitta body type but all the time some pitta disturbance, it means this person has to take vata diet but less acids in the diet. So you have to check the frequent imbalances, what is disturbing frequently. According to that the diet will go, and then second your predominant dosha will be the diet according to that. And sometimes people have three dosha also. These people should be very careful what to eat, what not to eat, because one diet can balance the dosha, one dosha, but can aggravate other dosha.
Good for balancing diet for all three dosha. So for this, mostly lukewarm water in drinking. Warm water. Drink warm water. Mostly empty stomach morning. Not necessary in summer, but mostly March to October can drink warm water for vata pitta kapha related person. And simple easy digestive food and seasonal fruits and vegetable necessary to eat, because season present according climate, according seasons, some special fruits and vegetables. So different seasons mostly season effect on body constitution. So seasonal fruits and vegetable suitable for vata pitta kapha. So mostly not rich diet. Rich diet means not fry more, little bit, and dinner always light food, easy digestive food. This is more important.